Hey kids, let's learn alphabet. Apple. A is for apple. Bird. B is for bird. Bird. Cat. C is for cat. C, cat. Dolphin. D is for dolphin. Earth. E is for earth. E, earth. Frog. F is for frog. F, frog. Giraffe. G is for giraffe. D, giraffe. Heart. H, heart. Ice cream. I is for ice cream. Juice. J is for juice. J, juice. Key. K is for key. Leaf. L is for leaf. L, leaf. Mouse. M is for mouse. Notebook. N is for notebook. All. O is for all. Pig. P is for pig. Queen. Q is for queen. Queen. Ring. R is for ring. Ring. Sun. S is for sun. Tree. T is for tree. Umbrella. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V. V is for violin. Watermelon. W is for watermelon. Xylophone. X is for xylophone. Yacht. Y is for yacht. Zebra. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Nice job. Hope you like this video and learn about alphabet.